Well, YouTube, it's a cold, crappy night outside, raining. I was going to go out to the shed and do some work on the XC. Can't really video it. Iron roof, no insulation, very noisy. So, let's do some work on the 18650 battery packs. Now, as you can see, I've started putting nice neat blobs of solder on each cell. I've just come to the conclusion that they have to be perfect. I've seen a few other people pull dead cells out of their packs. Pete, HB Powerwall, go and watch his channel. He just pulled a dead cell out of his pack. But all of his have been well soldered together. He's spent the time and effort in a nice clean workshop with clean cells and, you know, soldered them together really nice. Some of these cells I accidentally left in the back of the XC for a couple of days after we did a bit of a fit up. Some of them have gone rusty, they got a bit of an orange colour to them. And then some of them have been hard to get solder to start on, ones that don't have any of the spot weld residue left. The ones with a bit of spot weld residue have been quite easy to stick some solder to. Time to meet your maker. So my plan is, nice clean brand new steel wire wheel. Just give the top of each of them a rub and clean them up and see if they solder easier. Expose some fresh clean contact area on the top of them all, and we'll see what happens. So let's get stuck into it. So I had that on speed 3.5 kind of thing. Not like flat out or anything, didn't need that much speed. One of the other reasons we're going to do some more soldering is because I bought another roll today. I'll use this one up first though. Nope. Got the little iron warmed up, ready to go. So these couple here, as you've seen, were orange before. Let's see what they solder like now. That's what you want. You want the ball of the solder to have like a slump. You'll see it. It'll go from being balled up between the two, slumping down and onto the cell. Just like that. That's actually making better contact now. So a quick little zip with, even if they weren't actually rusty like these ones were. Some of them weren't, but even if they're not rusty, that just gives them a good cleanup. If you go and clean up a bunch of really rusty ones, you'd probably want to either give the wire wheel a bit of a blow off and a clean up or something, I don't know, but you don't want to go and stick too many iron filings or iron oxide rust particles in with your fresh work, so it'll make a mess. Is that one still not sticking? See the balls? Really fluid. contacts on the cells must all be made out of something different, because they all solder a little bit different between brands. Sometimes they take more heat than others to get to solder up, but I reckon having them cleaner like this is definitely making it easier. Still not perfect though. Definitely not perfect. The other thing I have to work out is, do I invest some bucks and buy a spot welder? Or do I go through 5 soldering irons and 50 kilos of solder, which realistically is going to be a similar cost. So that's one I haven't ground. See how the solder ball's just dancing around on top. Not actually sticking at all. This is the one I have given a bit of a sand. Is it any better? Yep. That's an improvement, definitely an improvement. That's good, that's all I wanted to know, whether it was worthwhile or not. It's not going to take long to, once they're in cell spaces like this, skim over the top of them all. I think it sticks better when the tabs are on there. I think they might be nickel. Someone correct me if they know exactly what they are. But I think they might be nickel. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to go through and tin all of these cells. Then all the cells can go in a box, and when I'll make some videos about cell sorting to make a balanced capacity packs, I'll do a bit on working out the maths on how to get a balanced capacity pack, and yeah, once I do that, we will we'll make some videos on sorting out boxes and boxes of cells to make up the packs that we want. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, smash the thumbs up button. If you got any questions, drop them below, and thanks everyone for watching, and thanks to all my subscribers and constant contributors. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.